Shubor nagaslem jong Nongstoiñ Hima.
Hakalay po tarik ubanay nailur arhajar arpuar, Myntri Rangbah du ke Sarkar Jela ukanut ke sangma, ulayo ban pelipat ba yung Nongrim nakabenta ban Myntri ke Surok Nongstoiñ Maweit, kaba Plie kilometer, ya kabala penongi ke Jingalang Hamadan St. Mary's Maweit Parish. Lakban kedaw hang ni ba kamang pisa nakabenta ban Myntri ya ketika Surok kaba Plie kilometer, kalong kandai pupra klur arpo henriu lak, kat saw hajar laispa lingba ke scheme Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project ya kabala bay pisa da ke World Bank. Hakati kasi nalor Myntri Rangbah ladan lang ru UMLE ke Mountain Road uba gigur merthong UMLE ke Nongstoiñ ba Macmillan bersat uba bajop ping road MDC ke Rangbah USP DC jong ke West Khasi Hills ki officer ke tenat PWD kinong elam shnong ke Thain Maweit bat kiwe
Las lembah kila angut bat perhan ya kesuak Nongstoiñ Maweit tambah kita cimudu pak jintra di bapa akhirnya Islam berada kalau udah doy hadirin pak kesuak NPP ke Bengali kisah pengejalan megala kalau simkia sisa Banpet yang jinge bagi paipa kini hai pada dia dulu. Giong pada berdekatan hakmat kali kesuruh. Kamu ke connectivity. Bahan penyesal Nongstoiñ Maweit. Lala naik penyesal syarwi siti seru jadi kapan penyesal pada Bangladesh. Lagi pekat nagamta kakamai keji kawai kapan kayok kekot juga hai pada dia. Hendak kesuruh Kumau kahin Nongstoiñ jungin teng ia jempal put kamu ketahui endala isok imut sakiwa minyak lagi ongba hana bakata ke NPP sok ke NPP ke isok tambah hana ke apa yang aja dulu ngangala akan pemudu kita ngamla akan mudu kita kajing ketua jadi wepa habangi bandara yang dikampeloi ke pamut ni juga jadi.
If roads come, other developments follow. But without good roads, we will not be able to see the kind of economic development, the different kind of services that the area and the people need will never be fulfilled. And hence in the last 5 years, minus the COVID, this government has stressed on ensuring that we invest the maximum on infrastructures like good roads. 5. The state has never seen the kind of implementation that has been done under PMGS5 under any other government. Where the different roads on the national highway which were stuck up for many reasons, were pushed and expedited and work is started in many national highway roads which were left neglected for many years. Immense pleasure and a great deal of satisfaction to be here today amongst all of you to lay the foundation stone for this very important road. I know that this is just the beginning, just a part of what different developments are required in this area. But as a government, we have believed that ensuring that good roads are there in different parts of the state, important road infrastructures which are needed, is the basis of any future development for any part of the state. That the work order will be given within a very short time, and I request the departments, request the Deputy Commissioner and the Honorable MLA to ensure that the contractor starts the work at the earliest and monitor the work so that the work is completed with quality and on time. With these few words,
apa ngayon nanti akan neka Surok, Nongstoiñ Maweit, batka Rangbah him. Ngatin po cie kapapon ba apa ngayon nanti sipang abe sa department sipang abe sa sekretariat. Ndre ngadu ngentong kumbang alawan aga arja katra ngalarai bangalaai kataka asuran sapi lalangiwan aga sorkar Myntri sitong kata kadeka komitmen jama aga tuapor. Ndre mata idon pok ba lakuno nila ulong yang kaneka apply kuntar. Kam banyo lut ndre nile ban suju pate umdei tam mga pate yamle napo kaneka set parkoy ndre idon robot di habiasam ya kapisa kabayo napo ka central government hadin bangiyo ya kapisa bawanra nagaleng uchi minister ni hapya ke ya wemle wei katlong ina ai te hakato por namangiyo section ya kateka Rangbah him hapte ni puchis pa role tingilap ya kato ka san kulta hangiru ngila persang ban puchis pa role ni thalai kaneru life san kulta kaya pertang argumenta pate nomor te kadela nyo ndre hangne lapsan yong thalai ba kalap dakal chispa pro ndre namar ba kibun kijingting kamut hangne ni hapyo no sang apla kunta nasi kuakan putau yapi bakalong kay kabadambok Nideban ay kublay kerpang ya ka sorkar MDA akan ya kakenti. Hoy, nilayo ya ki sorkar di baper hakapor baladek. Ka kongres ru kalabat ya ka sorkar UMLA jongi hakapor baladek tumu Francis Asanga ubat atem hakapor jonga kongres. Bat umau pingru uladon hakaweka por bauladon haga sorkar ndrei yakane ka Surok kremla pan penurong ndrei ide ban ai kublai kerpang yau chief minister ban yau deputy chief minister Rangbah jongka jingkre som jongki bangi layo ngetaksni yakane ban rakhe kerpang Nongstoiñ Plie yang Nongrim. Lemda kimia ai kata tiga mon tiga deng nak benta jonga kamut kaneka Surok wat nomut ba nyinyo takabasuk.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.